got a dispute going on, do not make the mistake of assuming that evidence will be lying there for you to come and procure at the time that you want. What do I mean? Call detail records, a lot of people know, are available. Who called whom from what location, cell towers. These are data which is preserved by cell phone companies. But did you know that these data is not available forever and forever, right? In fact, a lot of times when a person moves an application today for preservation of call detail records or for production of call detail records before the court takes several months. Issue notice to the police will file their reply, arguments fixed, this and that. And earlier it used to be 1 year. Since December of 2021, the Department of Telecommunication passed an order saying that all call detail records must be preserved for a minimum period of 2 years. And so you have 2 years from the date on which the alleged incident took place. And after that, it's all gone. Gone. So even if, say, for privacy concerns or other concerns, the court's a little apprehensive, you tell the court at least pass directions for preservation of those call detail records to the telecom company, even if you don't want them to be disclosed right away, at the very least. Because if that does not happen, next coming few weeks, coming few months, blink of an eye, that data is gone. And in fact, when it comes to CCTV footage or other pieces of evidence similar in nature, there's a higher likelihood that this data not being asked to be preserved in a formalized structure by the law disappears far sooner. In fact, the opponent will just give some cash and have this data disappear. You have to be very careful, very diligent in procuring, or at the very least, preserving the data that is going to favor you in your case against your opponent.